Good morning, you made it. It is Friday, April 17th. Welcome to the classroom. Today we're going to be finishing Letterbook W. We have just the number of weeks left to finish all of our letter books. So we will start on page 13. Your page is not going to look exactly like this. I've already started doing the page to be able to show you how it should look. We're going to be doing what's called weaving. Weaving. Weaving starts with W. So this is a weaving activity. So what you're going to do is you will start first, and you'll see there's a dotted line here, a black dotted line. You're going to cut to right here. You're going to fold your paper back, and there will be lines here, 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 and here that you will cut down. Then you will have slots, and at the bottom of your page, you're going to find a yellow and purple and green and blue slip of paper. So you're going to cut all those long rectangles apart, and then we're going to weave them through our pattern. You're going to start with the yellow. Make sure there's a little arrow at the end of each rectangle. Make sure that arrow is pointing up. So in the first one, you're going to go over the white, under the pink. Over the white, under the pink. So weaving is going up and under. And so what you're going to do, once you get it in place, tape the yellow strip down. Now you're going to do the purple. And the purple is going to be opposite of the yellow. So in this one, we're going to start under instead of over. We're going under the pink, over the white, under the pink, over the white, and tape the purple strip in place. Then you're going to do the same with the green. The green is going to be exactly like the yellow. We're going over the white, under the pink, over the white, under the pink. So I've started this blue one so I can show you how we're going to finish it. The blue one will be like the purple. So as you can see, I'll pull it back out so you can see. So we start by going, excuse me, my page don't want to stand up. We go under the pink, and I have to work my hands through and pull it through and get it fit. All right, now I'm going to go over the white. I'm going to push it back under the pink. And then I'm going to go over the white and pull it in place. So I have it in place like that. Now I'm going to take this tape and secure my blue one in place. So when you're finished, your page should look like this. And this is weaving. So we have woven a yellow strip, a purple strip, a green strip, and a blue strip into our pattern. It kind of looks like a quilt. Once you finish that, you're going to flip over. And what you're going to notice is that on the back of each of those colored strips were our start right pieces of paper. And if you did it with the arrow pointing up, your start right lines will be in the right direction. And the first item we see is a raft. Raft. So you're going to spell the word raft right here. They've given you some of the letters, but not all of them. Raft. Next, we have a vest. V-E-S-T. Vest. A pump. P-U-M-P. Pump. And last, swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. See if you can write all those words on the start right line. Make your letter formation correct. So raft, vest, pump, and lastly, swim. Once you've done that, you're going to turn over to page 15. This is not our typical listening story. What do we see on page 15? Exactly what we saw on the first page of our letter books. A lot of windows. But what we'll notice in each of these windows is it looks like the weather is different in each one. We're going to start right here in the corner. I'll tell you when it's time to move over. I'm going to be reading some poems to you, and I want you to listen carefully as I read poems about the weather. So we're starting right here. Looks like it might be snowing in our first scene. Snow. The snow fell softly all the night. It made a blanket, soft and white. It covered houses, flowers, and ground, but it did not make a single sound. First, snow. Snow makes whiteness where it falls. The bushes look like popcorn balls. The places where I always play look like something else today. Snow. The fence posts wear marshmallow hats on a snowy day. Bushes in their nightgowns are kneeling down to pray. And all the trees have silver skirts and want to dance away. Snow. All right, now we're going to move over to our next picture. Look out the window and see what the weather looks like in our next picture. The whirl and twirl. Like a leaf or a feather in the windy, windy weather, we will whirl around and twirl around and all sink down together. Little wind. Little wind, blow on the hilltop. Little wind, blow down the plain. Little wind, blow up the sunshine. Little wind, blow off the rain. Windy wash day. The wash is hanging on the line and the wind's blowing. Dresses also clean and fine, beckoning and howling. Stockings twisting in a dance, pajamas very tripping, and every little pair of pants upside down and skipping. Now we're going to move down here. Look out the window and see what kind of weather you think we're having today. The tardy playmate. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little wind that runs. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I'm wide awake. I'm up now, too. I'll be right out to play with you. Think about what wakes you up in the morning. The sun. The sun is a ball of roaring heat, and when you step on cement, it burns your feet. Sun makes the plants grow and grow, and when it rains, the sun makes a rainbow. The sun is up. The sun is up. The sun is shining bright. The sun has chased away the stars of night. The birds, the bees, the butterflies come a-rocking, gay frolicking, hail the day. The sun is up. The sun. Now we're moving down to our last window, Look out the window and see what the weather is today. Might not be going outside today. What do you think? Or maybe so. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring, bumped his head, so he went to bed. Couldn't get up in the morning. The rain. Rain on the green grass, and rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. The rain. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. City rain. Rain in the city, I love to see it fall. Slantwise where the buildings crowd, red brick and all. Streets of shiny wetness where the taxis go, with people and umbrellas all, bobbing to and fro. Rain. So we have a snowy day, a windy day, a sunny day, and a rainy day. Give yourself a check plus. Those are poems about weather. Now we're going to flip over to page 16. We're going to answer some questions. On the first line, we see all different types of weather. And we'll see that all the way down until we get to our words. We're starting with the line with the ball. Here's your question. What kind of weather makes you carry an umbrella and wear rain boots? What kind of weather makes you carry an umbrella and wear rain boots? Right, rainy weather. So you'll take your your pencil, and do a 2 o'clock dot on the rain. All right, now we're moving down to the row with the apple. Here's your question. What kind of weather covers the ground like a white blanket and doesn't make a sound? Is it wind? Is it rain? Is it sun? Or is it snow? It's snow. So you'll circle snow. Snow covers the ground and makes a white blanket. All right, now we're moving down to the row with the umbrella. What kind of weather makes you want to go swimming? Sunny weather? Snowy weather? Do you want to swim in the snow? I don't. Rainy weather? We know it's dangerous to swim in rainy weather. It can also be dangerous in windy weather if there are trees around. Right, it's the sun. So we want to go swimming on a sunny day, so circle the sun. All right, move down to the row with the rabbit. Here's our question. What kind of weather always seems in a hurry and makes everything twirl around? Which weather is always in a hurry? Is it rain, sun, wind, or snow? Yes, wind. It blows things around and causes them to twirl off the ground. So we make a 2 o'clock dot and circle wind. All right, now you're going to have to read some words. Let's look at them. Sun, 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 sun. Second word. Wind, 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 wind. Wet, wet, wet. All right, right with the ladybug. What type of weather would be perfect for flying a kite? What do you need to fly a kite? Do you need sun, wind, or wet? I bet you can figure this one out. Circle what you need to fly a kite. Give yourselves a check plus. You finished Letterbook W. I'm going to give you a golf clap. Great job. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday, April 20th.